Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 6, adjectives and comparison. Adjectives and comparison. So what is adjectives is used to describe a noun or a pronoun, right? Adjective क्या है? It is always used to describe the noun and pronoun. So it answers the questions like whose, what kind, which one, how many or how much. For example, my brother is standing alone. तो हम क्वेश्चन क्या करते हैं? Whose brother? ठीक है. एडजेक्टिव ये क्या है, क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है? नाउन और प्रोनाउन. ठीक है. द बिग एलिफेंट ट्रम्पेटेड लाउडली. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एलिफेंट? सो इन अ सेंटेंस एन एडजेक्टिव कैन बी प्लेस्ड एट 3 प्लेसेस. इन अ सेंटेंस एन एडजेक्टिव जो है हम 3 जगहों पे प्लेस कर सकते हैं. बिफोर अ नाउन, a beautiful house, an honest boy. Next, after the various forms of verb, जैसे कि Manani is tall, she is smart too. Tall and smart जो है again adjective है. Rupa has been ill for a week. और after जब हम यूज करते हैं after verbs like look, seem, grow, feel, etc. This looks strange. ये जो था वो हम सेंटर में कैसे यूज करते, वो एग्जाम्पल था. दिस इज द सेंटेंस के बीच में, एग्जैक्टली 2 वर्ड्स के 2 सेंटेंस के बीच में. एंड द लास्ट वन इज ऑन द एंड. सो सर्कल द सुटेबल एडजेक्टिव्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. माई ब्रदर सॉ अ स्ट्रेंज creature that looked like a dinosaur. Second is Saurabh is so obedient that all the teachers love him. The tamarind chutney was sour that it gave me a sore throat. तो आपको इसमें सुटेबल्स एडजेक्टिव को सर्कल करना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट आता है एडजेक्टिव्स इन ऑफ क्वालिटी. एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वालिटी. सो व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी? दैट टेल्स अस अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ समथिंग. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी में ही मालूम पड़ जाता है व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. इट इज ऑल अबाउट which we come to know about the quality of something. They answer question what kind. There were white swans in the lake. The Gwalior fort in Madhya Pradesh is very beautiful. So we come to know about the quality, right? So underline the adjectives of quality in sentences, clues. Then complete the crossword with the opposites of adjectives you have underlined. So downwards, first is we are tired of carrying heavy school bags. We are tired of carrying light, L-I-G-H-T, light school bags. जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उसके अपोजिट वर्ड्स को हमें लिखना है. अपोजिट एडजेक्टिव वर्ड्स को हमें लिखना है. देन सेकेंड वन इज चिल्ड्रन शुड नॉट प्ले विथ टॉयज दैट हैव शार्प एजेस. चिल्ड्रन शुड नॉट प्ले विथ टॉयज So okay, the second one is cross one, across one. This one is down and this is across. So the kite Rana is an boring book. Boring. सो इधर वर्ड क्या था? इंटरेस्टिंग. उसका ऑपोजिट क्या आता है? बोरिंग. नेक्स्ट है थर्ड वन, क्रॉस. व्हाट कैन चिल्ड्रन डू टू हेल्प पुअर पीपल? व्हाट कैन चिल्ड्रन डू टू हेल्प रिच? पुअर का ऑपोजिट है रिच, RICH, रिच. फोर्थ वन, द ब्यूटिफुल प्रिंसेस वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप एट नाइट. The beautiful princess, the ugly princess. Beautiful का opposite क्या होता है? Ugly, right? Next is the cream used for the pudding was very thin. Thick का opposite होता है thin. And the second is children should not play with the toys that have sharp edges, blunt edges. Next, rewrite the sentences by replacing words in red and suitable adjectives from the box. Make appropriate changes in the sentence if required. हमें क्या करना है? रीराइट करना है सेंटेंसेस को. आपको ये स्ट्रिप दिया गया है, उसमें से वर्ड्स यूज करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू रीराइट इट. सोनालिका लाइक्स टू रीड बुक्स दैट आर एबल टू कैप्चर हर इंटरेस्ट. सोनालिका लाइक्स टू रीड बुक्स दैट आर एबल टू कैप्चर हर दैट आर इंटरेस्टिंग. सो ये जो पूरा वर्ड है दैट we'll have to rewrite it. So how we'll rewrite it? Sonalika likes to read books that are interesting. That are interesting. Okay, after the football match, Rohan's shoes were dirty. So you have to rewrite the sentences like this. Okay, next is adjectives of quantity and number. Now adjectives of quantity and number. So what is adjective of quantity? Quantity answer the question how much they usually used with uncountable nouns. For example, gave me some money. Some money बोले तो it is uncountable noun, right? I don't have much work to do. That is the question. So adjectives of number answer the question how many. They are usually used with the countable nouns. Countable nouns के लिए हम क्वेश्चन क्या यूज करते हैं? हाउ मेनी. एंड जो अनकाउंटेबल रहता है उससे क्या यूज करते हैं? हाउ मच, राइट? So there are 7 marbles in the box. Many birds are flying over the tree. Filling the blanks with the suitable adjectives. Filling the blanks with the suitable adjectives. Rubina goes to the gym. Rubina goes to the gym 5 days a week. 5 days a week. Mr. Malhotra asked, how much sugar have you put in the tea? How much? Several clouds floated in the sky in the evening. Several David said, give me some ice cream. I am hungry. There is little rice in the sack. So now what is demonstrative adjectives? What is demonstrative adjectives? So this adjective is the point out a specific person. जब हम स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, एनिमल, थिंग और चीज़ों को स्पेसिफिकली पॉइंट करते हैं, दैट टाइम वी यूज demonstrative adjective. It answers the question which one. So the demonstrative adjectives in English are this, these, that and those. This bike is not mine. I don't like those curtains. So हम किसी चीज़ को पॉइंट करते हैं, that is the time when we use the demonstrative adjective. So filling the blanks with the correct demonstrative adjectives. Why is that room so untidy? Dash flowers are native to China. This flowers are native to China. Who are these people standing across the road? Will you help me to put will you help me to put those cartoon in the cupboard? Cartoon in the cupboard. So always keep in mind ये सारे words जो है this, these, that and those are also used as a pronoun. So a demonstrative adjective is usually placed before a noun since it qualifies a noun. A demonstrative pronoun is usually placed before a verb. ये किसके पहले यूज होता है? बिफोर अ वर्ब. दैट इज माई लिटिल सिस्टर. pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. That girl is my little sister. Demonstrative adjective. So what is possessive adjectives? What is possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives ये होता है which answer the question like whose and they show possession, belonging or ownership. मतलब क्या पोजीशन दिखाता है? किसी का जो सामान है बिलोंगिंग या फिर ओनरशिप, मतलब जिसका है ओनरशिप, वो दिखाता है. जैसे कि her suitcase is not properly locked. My friend lives very close to my house. So do not confuse personal and possessive pronouns with possessive adjectives. अपने आप को आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं करना है. Personal and possessive pronouns with possessive adjectives. So remember always that possessive adjectives are always used before a noun. And a demonstrative pronoun is usually placed before a verb. And possessive adjectives are always used before a noun. So personal noun and possessive pronoun adjectives जो है सारे words दिए, first person, second person, third person. When a singular person speaking about a singular and plural. The second person singular, plural. Third singular and plural. देखो underline the possessive adjectives and circle the possessive pronouns. John is tall. His feet are big. These shoes are his. John is tall. His and his. So underline the possessive adjective and circle the possessive pronouns, right? possessive adjective को circle करना है and possessive pronoun को भी circle करना है. This letter isn't mine. It is his letter. It is his letter. Our parents impart good values to us. Our parents impart good values to us. Are those chocolates yours? My chocolates are in that box. So here they have asked us to underline and I have done circle. So you guys also don't do the circle, you just underline it, okay? My hair is brown. My hair is brown. It is not black like yours. सबको समझा ना? मैंने यहाँ पे सर्कल किया लेकिन आपको अंडरलाइन करना है, ठीक है? Degree of comparison. We use adjective to compare two or more people, animal or things. We use adjective to compare two or more people, animals or things. The form of adjective will depend on the kind of comparison we make. So there are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Positive degree में क्या होता है? Positive degree of an adjective is used when no comparison is involved. Arjun is a young man. जब comparison use ही नहीं होता है, that is a positive degree. The comparative degree of an adjective compares to 2 people, animal, things. We add R और ER. जैसे कि हम एक से ज़्यादा 2 से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं तो what do we add? Comparative degree में ER, right? My box is larger than yours. My box is large than yours नहीं बोलते, larger, ER यूज हुआ है ना. Next superlative degree में क्या होता है? The superlative degree is used when they compare more than 2 people, animal or thing. जब 2 से भी ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में हम यूज़ करते हैं तो what we use ST और EST. तो जैसे कि the largest bed belong to Papa Bear. Nihal is the youngest of the 3 boys. You could see EST is used here. So note the various ways of forming comparative and superlatives. Tall, taller, tallest. Add ER or EST. Big, bigger, biggest. Easy, easier, easiest. Large, larger, largest. Right? So next is write the table below has one form of an adjective in each row. Complete the table by filling in the order 2 forms in the correct columns. So here there is a positive comparative superlative. So what is given here? Tallest. So what will the first? Tall, taller. Tall, taller. Happy, happier. Happiest. Now here is more difficult. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. What is next? Younger. So comparative is younger. So what will be this positive? Young. Younger, youngest. So rest of this you have to write, okay? Next is underline the suitable adjectives. An elephant is bigger than a mouse. David is the youngest boy in the class. This is easiest question out of the 10 given. So आपको suitable adjectives को क्या करना है? Underline करना है. Next, put the words in the correct order to form meaningful sentences. Ruchika is the smartest in our class. Ruchika is the smartest in our class. So put the words in the correct order to form meaningful sentences. आपको ये जो words दिए गए हैं आपको correct order में लिखना है so that there can be a meaningful sentences. Next, an elephant is the biggest animal in the zoo. So in this way you have to form the correct word so that there will be the meaningful sentences. Use the clues to write sentences with correct superlative adjectives. Here you have to use the clues to write the correct sentences with the correct superlative adjectives. So use the clues to write sentences with correct superlative and adjectives. Walter, cute, my class. सो आपको सेंटेंसेस दिए, क्लूज दिए हैं, सो आपको करेक्ट सेंटेंस बनाना है यूजिंग सुपरलेटिव्स. वॉल्टर इज द क्यूटेस्ट बॉय इन माई क्लास. सो द ब्लू व्हेल, बिग एनिमल, अर्थ. Those are the clues. Using correct superlative, you have to make a form a sentence. A blue whale is the biggest animal on earth. The blue whale is the biggest animal on earth. Next, dog, faithful animal, world. A dog is the most faithful animal in the world. What is next? Shruti, fast runner, team. So Shruti is the fastest runner of her team. Next is empty Kilimanjaro, high mountain, Africa. Empty Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain in Africa. So always keep in mind that the two comparatives or two superlatives you cannot use together. Never use two comparatives or two superlatives together. So rewrite the sentences correctly. A bag full of aluminium is more heavier than one full of cotton. So what is incorrect use of adjectives? So look at two common mistakes that occur when we use adjectives for comparison. Rahim is more taller than Abraham. Rahim is taller than Abraham. So here we are using two words, more and taller. Again, use only one word and frame the sentence. Mumbai is the most largest city of India. Mumbai is the largest city in India. So never use two comparatives or two superlatives together. Rewrite a sentence correctly. A bag full of aluminium is more heavier than one full of cotton. A bag full of aluminium is heavier than one full of cotton. Bag full of Aluminium is heavier than 1 full of cotton. Tomato is the most reddest fruit. Tomato is the reddest fruit. Tomato is the reddest fruit. The Pacific Ocean is the most deepest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. The sun is more brighter than the moon. The sun is brighter than the moon. The sun is brighter than the moon. So in this way you have to rewrite the correct sentences. Don't use two comparatives or two superlatives together, okay?